Hey guys, so I want to share with you this quick organizational tool that is super helpful for me. So I don't know if you're like me, but I have a million tabs that tend to stay open on my computer because it's pretty much my to-do list. And I don't close the tab until I know I'm done with it. And then I end up having, 20 plus tabs going on my computer. So someone recommended this extension for Chrome and it is a game changer. So I want to show you real quick and you can use it if you want. If not, no big deal, but it has been super helpful for me. So it's called the Toby for Chrome and it's going to organize your life. So once you install it, it will open like when I open a new tab. And these are ones that I've already created, but you can create a collection. And let's say that I want to call this, let's see, what do I have open over here? Announcements. So maybe I need a tab to kind of keep track of things that I'm doing for announcements. So what you'll notice is all my tabs that I have going at the top are listed here on the right. And so the Trojan Tribune, this is the form we use for announcements. So I can actually click it and drag it over here and then it clears it off my tabs at the top. So I have it right here. So anytime I know I need to do announcements, it's already right here. And then kind of looking through my other options, okay, so quote of the day is something we do in announcements. So I can pull that over. It's going to clear that tab, but it's going to keep it here in my announcements folder. So maybe I have some library stuff going on, like my first week for my kiddos. So I can drag that down into my library tab. So it helps kind of clear. And then anytime if I'm logged into my Chrome, that extension is going to be there. So anytime I open a new tab, it is defaulted to open to that Toby for Chrome. So then I can go in and if I know a teacher needs to look at how to do something in Google, I know that I have my spreadsheet in this technology help. So I hope that's helpful for you guys. This has been helpful for me because then I can go in and clear out my tabs at the top, but I still have them here. So it's not quite so overwhelming looking at all these tabs. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions on how to do that, just let me know and I can help you get that installed on your Chrome. Y'all have a great day.